This video is to inform you about how to check on your subscriptions with the new Digilangua platform. Simply go up to the top navigation bar under your name and click on Settings. You'll be brought to this page here where you can see how much longer you have on your subscription. My subscription has expired. And you can, if you want to, cancel your membership simply by clicking the Cancel Membership button. The new Digilangua platform is set up for auto renewal, either after every month or after every year. But you have control of your membership. Simply come in here and click Cancel Membership if you need to do so. Please note that once you click the button Cancel Membership, your membership is canceled immediately. And if there is a refund to be given, it will be processed within 7 to 10 business days. Hope this helps.